Academy and why is it important?
Okay, Harana, that's a big question. Yeah. Parenting Academy is an event that MLAC Institute does every year. It's a talk about what is parenting. You know why? Because there is no real school. There's no school that teaches parenting, but parenting is so important. It's probably one of the most important, things in making in the world, in building up the nation, in raising children, having a good family, having a good country.
Is it okay if I say one reason why?
Yes.
Because if the parents are mean to the children, then the children will get sad, and the parents and when the children become parents when they're older, then they might treat their children not too nice.
Wow. You said it. That's precisely what this is all about. The generational. You're treated by your parents this way. So when you become a parent, if you also treat your own children that way. So it's from generation to generation. You hit it on the spot. That's exactly what we want to talk about today. I mean, on when is this? Saturday, August 31.
Why do most parents not play with their own children?
Good question. Yeah. I think most parents or most adults may have forgotten how to play. I think children should teach them to play. Why don't they play with their children? I think sometimes they think that play is a waste of time, but it isn't. They think that when they're playing with their children, they should not be playing with them. They think they should be teaching them, telling them what to do. So I think it's very important. Your question is very important. So it will lead to what we need to tell the parents, that the parents should play with the children, because it's a way of bonding and being with the children, being a child with your children. You're like a child with them, and then you connect with them, and then you understand each other. And it's so wonderful to be able to play with your children. Maybe they've forgotten. Maybe we bring it back. The parents should start playing with their children again for the sake of the children, but maybe mostly for the sake of the parents. They can play again.
Please join us in Parenting Academy MLAC.
Parenting is nation building. That's the title. And when is it? It's on August 31.
Saturday, 9
9 to 11 a.m. at the Mind Museum in BGC. Please join us.